In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a special vanilla cake without using egg, without using butter.
Trash cakes where dreams come true.
So these are some of the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe. I'm going to drop all the measurements in the comment section. First thing we are going to do is to add in our oil, then go over with our sugar. Then I'm going to mix this with a whisk. So we are going to start adding our milk bit by bit. So this is the dry ingredients. I added my corn flour, I added my baking powder, and I'm going to mix this and I'm going to set it aside. So I'm going to bring back my wet ingredients and I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients. So I added vanilla flavor. So I'm going to be adding my dry ingredients bit by bit. So you are going to mix this. So be careful so that you don't over mix.
Where the magic starts, mixing flavors, baking from the heart. Trash cakes where dreams come true.
So I'm going to be adding another batch of my milk.
Whiskey makes it feel the thrill. Every bite makes time stand still.
So I went over with my dry ingredients. So you are going to make sure that you are going to be adding your dry ingredients last. Like once you add your last batch of milk, then you are going to add your dry ingredients last. So I went over with a whisk to remove those lumps. So I added my last batch of milk. And I'm going to add my last batch of dry ingredients. Then I'll mix everything together.
Sugar sprinkles on top, so sweet. Butter icing can't be beat.
So after mixing it, I'm going to be greasing my pan and spread my parchment paper on it. Then I'm going to bake this for 60. I bake mine for 60 minutes on low heat, depending on the oven you are using. You can see how fluffy the batter looks. So after baking it for 60 minutes, this was the outcome.